Alright. You ready to see Christmas morning?
Yeah. Oh my goodness! It's awful.
Turn the light on.
Oh my goodness! That either the Santa that eat the cookie.
You ate the cookies. Whew.
Oh my goodness! That it's so beautiful.
Diana,
Wow.
what do you think?
That is so beautiful. Oh,
You
I
gotta-
can't open.
You gonna open it?
Oh
Mama
my.
just put tons of bows on it, so. It's a kitchen!
A kitchen of food.
Yeah, lots of other toys.
Yeah, it is. It's so beautiful.
What do you think, baby brother? Ennis.
That is.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Daddy.
Oh, I'm trying to open it.
Oh, hold on. Is that got your name on it?
Yeah.
I think it might not. Hold on, Day. Hold on, Diana. Give that to Daddy. See if. Yeah, that's our Christmas ornament. All right, that's
Baby.
also Baby Brother's.
That
Can you
is
help us
Baby
find one that's got
Brother's.
her name on it?
Oh, a bigger present.
The bigger present is yours.
Ooh. I'm trying to open it. It is a name.
How much effort did it take for you to bring that in here?
You know your friend
Oh,
Hagman?
food.
Yeah.
He brought it up.